Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can restore the images what you have deleted on the Google Photos. For example, if you have accidentally deleted some wanted photos in your Google Photos, there is an option we can restore them. For example, I'll select this, touch and hold, so you will get the option to select. So I have deleted all the photos what I have taken in the month of October. So for example, I'll delete now. So I have deleted 19 pictures. So how to restore them? If you observe, there are three horizontal lines here which are options. You need to click on them to restore. So here you have an option like bin here. So all the deleted photos from Google Photos will be available in this bin folder for 6 months. So click on that. See here, these are the images I have just deleted. Now items will be in the bin folder after 60 days this will be deleted. I have already told this. So there is a option here, see here, restore. So if I want this pic and this pic to be restored, so I can click on only those two pics. So those two pics are restored. So I don't want any of this, so I can delete all of them. So if you want to have all of this restored, you can restore it, but specifically I want only two of them, so I have restored them. So if you want to delete, you can delete permanently. If you want to restore, you can restore them. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.